Thank you, Madam Chair. Migrants face myriad of challenges in countries of transit and destination, which has been exacerbated by the pandemic. Drivers of migration already present before the pandemic have not only persisted but have in some instances increased. Borders have been closed and pathways for regular migration have been reduced, pushing many migrants to resort to the services of smugglers and risking their lives. The implementation of Objectives 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, and 21 of the Global Compacts for Safe, Orderly